In today's video, we are going to cover the topic cell as a unit of structure and function. And the subtopic that we are going to cover in this video is first the introduction, then the explanation, properties, and a quiz for you guys in the end. So, cell as a unit of structure and function. Basically, a cell is a unit of structure and function in the living organism. In multicellular organism, there is a division of labor among cell. Different cells are specialized to perform different function, right? So the function of organism as a whole is the result of the sum of activities and interactions of different cells and of different components of the cell, right? Okay, so a cell is basically a unit of structure and function in living organism. जो multicellular organisms होते हैं वहाँ पे there is a division of labor among cell. Different cells are specialized to perform different function. We will look a little deep into that. The function of the organism as a whole is the result of the sum of the activities and the interaction of the different cells and of different components of these cells. For example, if we look that into the different type of cells that are present in the human body, like the stem cell, bone cell, blood cell, muscle cell, fat cell, skin cells, nerve cell, endothelial cell, sex cells, pancreatic cell, and cancer cell. We know that the muscle cells, right? They contract and relax. This is a function, a specialized function that they performed, right? Then, if we talk about the nerve cell, right? They transmit nerve impulse. Okay, so if we talk about there is another cell that is the gland cell, right? They aren't present here. We can take the pancreatic cell as the gland cell. What their function is? Their function is to secrete. They secrete different secretions, right? Then blood cells, they carry oxygen. Then stomach cells, their function is that they secrete the gastric juice. It's considered as the stomach cell. They secrete gastric juice, right? So these all are the type of cell that are present in the human body, but as you can see that all cell is specialized and is performing a function that is different from the other cell. इसी तरह अगर हम प्लांट्स में देखें दे डू हैव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेल. ठीक है. अगर हम जाइलम सेल्स को देखें तो देयर फंक्शन इज टू conduct water and mineral salts from soil, water and mineral salts from the soil towards the aerial of the plant. As you can also see in the picture here that they are conducting water and salt minerals from the soil towards the aerial of the plant. इसी तरह phloem cell is another type of cell present in the plant और उनका क्या function होता है? Their function is to translocate food. ठीक है, इनका function है इन्होंने food को distribute करना है as you can see in this picture, right? इसी तरह अगर हम और देखें तो प्लांट्स में और भी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेल्स होते हैं, जैसे कि स्क्लेरेनकाइमेटस सेल, दे गिव सपोर्ट टू द प्लांट। इसके अलावा अगर हम क्लोरेनकाइमेटस सेल, जिसके अंदर कॉलेनकाइमा टिश्यूज भी होते हैं, दे कैरी आउट फोटोसिंथेसिस। ठीक है। उसके अलावा अगर आप पेरेन्काइमा सेल्स को देखें, दे प्रोड्यूस न्यू सेल फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द प्लांट, राइट? So as they perform different function, they show great variation in shape and size. So despite the structural and the functional diversity, the plant as well as the animal cells, they all have a common plan of organization, right? They all may perform different function, they may have different responsibilities, right? But they all have a common plan of organization. So now is the quiz time for you guys. So the first MCQs that we got for today is that stomach cells secrete dash gastric juice, blood, oxygen. As we all know by now that stomach cell secrete gastric juice. So here the option 1 is the correct. Dash is a unit of structure and function in living organism. The options are cell, tissues or genes. So here the correct answer is cell. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit in all living organisms. So this conclude our today's lesson. If you guys got any queries, ask them below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.